here to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location is nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy guest includes review rating is 7.0, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is excellent and guests love to enjoy the surrounding. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and rating policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, go to the description. If you are facing any kind of problem with this property, you can contact us by the we will help you. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video in the end. So friends, will meet again.